Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to find a lost or stolen Android phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up any browser on your desktop, which may be PC or laptop. You just have to search for google.com, and after searching for google.com, here you guys have to simply search for find my device. So after searching for find my device, you guys have to simply click on the first website, which is find my device. So after clicking on first website, here Google will ask you for your Gmail account which is connected to your mobile phone. So you guys have to simply log in with the Gmail account of which your lost and stolen Android phone is connected. So you guys have to simply log in with that Gmail, and Google will provide you all the information about that phone. Here in the map section, you guys can be able to see the location of your Android phone, and here you guys can be able to see the battery percentage of your mobile phone, which is 48%. And here you guys can be able to see the Wi-Fi connected to your device at that time, and you guys can also play the sound to the stolen or lost device, or you guys can lock the device using this feature. And in this feature, you guys can also erase all the data from the stolen or lost device. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.